Introducing the Garden Angel rainwater harvesting system from DPT. The Garden Angel is a simple and cost-effective below-ground rainwater harvesting system that can be used for domestic and small commercial applications. The system comes with all internal pipework and seals, inline filter system, a calmed inlet, and an industry-leading submersible pump with built-in pressure switch to meet demand. Garden Angel systems can be purchased in capacities from 1,000 litres up to 6,000 litres. A range of access covers are available, from pedestrian rated to D400. DPT offer this system with 24 to 48 hour lead time as standard. For more information on the Garden Angel system, please contact us today and speak to a DPT representative.